It is a sad morning because it is debarkation day. So check out in this video, we're going to give you a tour of our room. We're going to give you some final thoughts on the Carnival Spirit and getting off and travel back to the Houston, Texas area. So stick around.
Alright, so this is the Cam Fam. We are on the Carnival Spirit. We are on deck 1. This is 1121. We're going to give you a view. This is an ocean view, room for 4. So, let's check it out. Alright, so when you come on in, and guys, this is the end of our cruise, so we have packed things up. And we have 4 in here. We actually had 5 because the oldest one was with Grandma and Grandpa. But we have a pull down up here, and this was definitely spacious for us. We had the couch that turned into a bed, and little one's getting her last little nap in. You have a nice little table, some towel animals from the week, your traditional stuff. You got your mirrors. Carnival mirrors are great. You got your storage space, you know, your waters. In here you have your safe, which we never use. If you use a safe, go ahead and comment down below. I don't know, we never trust the things. The one thing I will highlight on the Carnival Spirit, like I said, this is the fridge, guys. If you've ever been on a Carnival cruise ship, the fridge does not get anything cold. This thing is ice cold. Like, having drinks out of here was amazing. It was great all cruise long. Like, it was like coming out of my garage fridge cold, if you know what I'm talking about. Then we have the rest. You have your traditional storage space. They do only have the one outlet, so make sure, if you have not watched our video on what to bring on a cruise, you definitely want that outlet extender. So check that out. You have all your drawers here, your typical blow dryer and stuff. The one thing we did not know, or we did not notice right away, on your couch, there's pull-out drawers underneath. So if you're looking for extra space, definitely utilize that. Your traditional closet, so you got one that has shelves going all the way up and down. This one was originally a double hanging, and we turned it into just one big hanging long one for all the dresses and whatnot. And then your shelf with some hanging, and of course your life jackets. Guys, take advantage to the bed. You can store stuff underneath it. So here is the traditional Carnival bathroom. It does come with shampoo and shower gel, and then of course all your lovely space. So guys, like I said, we've been on the Carnival Spirit for 6 days. We are getting off this morning, but this, oh man, it's an ocean view room. I didn't even show you all the ocean. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, but we are in port. So this was the view, but you can now see we are in Mobile, Alabama, and they're loading things up for the next cruise. So if you're on the next one, good luck to y'all. We had a great Thanksgiving on the Carnival Spirit, and we look forward to cruising again very soon. So hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything the Cam Fam records on the seas.
Alright guys, so after clearing out of our room, we headed up to the Lido deck to relax, grab some breakfast, and wait for our stuff to be called. We always leave our bags out, so that way we don't have to carry them all off. So getting off the Carnival Spirit was actually pretty smooth. We grabbed a porter, they grabbed our bags, got us out to the parking area, but then this was the one bad thing about that Holiday Inn that we stayed at. So it took a long time to get picked up. They had 2 vans going, but there was no rhyme or reason as to who they picked up. So the van came once, and we thought we were getting on it, but we had to wait again. But in the long run, we ended up getting back to the Holiday Inn, got our vehicle, loaded up, gassed up, and made that big drive from Mobile, Alabama back to Houston, Texas. On the ride, there were some naps, there was some fun talking about the cruise. And then when we got back into town, we had to hit up our favorite Mexican restaurant because it has been 1 week since we've had some good Mexican food. So we did that, relaxed with Grandma and Grandpa, and then that wrapped up this cruise. So a couple things, guys. The Carnival Spirit, it was a great ship for being an older ship. We truly enjoyed it. We hope that you enjoyed our videos, and if you did, hit that subscribe button. That really helps us out, and that way you don't miss out on any moments, because we have some exciting cruises coming up on the Carnival Valor. We have some on the Carnival Breeze, and we are booking another one for the Carnival Dream coming up soon. Maybe one day you will cruise with the Cam Fan.